Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Goverdue e-commerce website. Before we proceed on this e-commerce website, I will want you to subscribe if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, so that you can get notification on all videos I'm dropping on this YouTube channel. Welcome everyone. This is another beautiful e-commerce website that was built by Web Developer Africa team. We created this e-commerce website so that we will save you time and cost for you to build your own e-commerce website. This website is already made and it is very beautiful, and it showcases products in a very beautiful way. As you all know, on our channel, we don't just show you guys products. We show you products that make sales, products that can transform your life, and products that you can buy, that you can put on your portfolio, and that will trigger employers to employ you in your jobs and in all your activities. Our project on this channel are kind of products you can present to potential employer, and they are going to be proud of the person they want to employ. Trust me. This has worked for a lot of my students. I am a web developer. You can follow me on LinkedIn. I share tips on how to become a software developer on LinkedIn. So this is my YouTube channel here, where I share most of my recent projects. This is Goverdue. I would like to introduce Goverdue to you. It is an e-commerce website that allows users to purchase products. Basically, we are selling office furniture on this e-commerce website, which is something that we all need nowadays. We human are now creating more and more office in each country, so there is a need for all this kind of equipment, like tension adjustable chair, ego woman chair, or all those electronic desks. So this is an e-commerce website that we use to present this particular product to our potential buyer. So these products here are available for sales on this e-commerce website. For this website, the source code is going to be available for everyone watching this video, and I will drop the link to the source code of this beautiful e-commerce website on the description section. So do well to check the description and find the source code link so you can get this e-commerce website and have it as your own. This e-commerce website is not only displaying products, it allows users to buy, add to carts, compare, add to wish list, and finally make payments on these products. So if I click on add to cart, it's going to load, and I can increase the product quantity in the cart section. So you can see as I'm increasing this quantity, the price is also updating here. So I can click on checkout. So clicking on checkout will ask for my billing details. So here you can see that we are now almost at the end of purchasing these products. This is how this product is going to appear to all your users. If you get this e-commerce website source code, it is very easy to set it up. And as a matter of fact, if you are getting it from us, we are going to be setting it up for you for free. We are not going to charge you any amount for setting up this e-commerce website. Once you purchase it, an email will be sent to you. On that email, you can message us directly, and we're going to know if you bought it from us, and we are going to set it up for you for free. And we are going to create your banners, your designs, and all other graphics design that you need on this e-commerce website. We are going to be creating all of them for you for free. So this source code is going to be at the description section, so you can check it. If you are interested in this beautiful e-commerce website, you can now check it and get it as your own, and impress your employer, impress your customer. You can find a customer that need an e-commerce website and use this e-commerce website to impress that particular client, and he or she is going to love this interface. he or she is going to love this UI, because everything here is beautifully created. Trust me. A lot of my team, we put a lot of effort in creating this particular e-commerce website, just to make sure you got a very good high-end quality product from Adi Web Developer team. This is what we do here in Adi Web Developer. We create e-commerce websites, we build mobile application, and we put them out there at a very cheap price, so that you guys can have access to all our e-commerce products, to all our code and our source code. So Gumroad has a search functionality where you can search by categories or by recent categories. So here are the most searched. Anything I search for is going to be on this memory. So now we are using async storage to store this memory. Anytime we search, it's going to store here. So this is our nav bar, and here we have our categories. This is our slider menu, where we can display some kind of banners just to educate our users on how our product is. So this is another banner that is equipped with this kind of animation. It is just for users to know what we are really selling and what we are really doing on this e-commerce website. So this is our 24/7 support, accept payments. So here is for user credibility. So once they see something like this, they will be able to trust the website, and they will not doubt purchasing products from our website. These are the top categories. In each categories, there are some attached products. So we have office furniture, accessories, ergonomic, and so on. So under office furniture, you can see we have all these kind of products here, and you can see we have some banners here too. These banners are something that you can change to your own banner, or we can create another beautiful graphic design banner for you. So here, let us click on this SSDE electric stand desk. So this electric stand desk is available for sales on this e-commerce website. So can you see how beautifully this e-commerce website display these products? So you can view more picture of these products on our e-commerce website, and finally you can add to cart. So now I previously add this tension adjustable to cart, and now I add this SSDE 5 electronic stand desk to cart. So now we have our total here, and we can click on checkout. Now we already click on checkout, and we see how the checkout section is. So now we can clear cart to clear all the products we have in our cart. So now this is our cart empty state. So now we can clear our cart. We can add to wish list. So for us to add to wish list, we have to sign up as a user. So your users can or your customer can easily share these products on Facebook, on X, on LinkedIn, and on Twitter. So we have different ways of showcasing products on this e-commerce website, so that if they attract your potential buyer, and they will not even hesitate on buying your products. So let's go back to the home section. This is the home section. So as we are navigating through the home section, we also have this particular section, which is the new arrival and the most viewed section. So here we have our flash sales. This flash sales, you can see it as a review here. So we can click on this product, and users can also review your products. So here we can also check people that has reviewed your products. So this product has a review here, so another person can review. So let us review this products together. Maybe it is a good product. We can just say it's a good one, sir. You can submit review, and once we need to use the rating field and submit our review. So now once we submit our review, you can see the review was shown here very fast and real-time notification. So now we have our shipping policy page, return and refund policy page, and all these things are editable. So now let us navigate. Now this is all what we have on our beautiful e-commerce website. And the most beautiful thing about this e-commerce website is user can create an account, which is necessary on all e-commerce websites. So let me go to incognito mode so that I will not be logged in. So let me just come to incognito so that it won't remember all what I have did on the previous Chrome. So I will need to click on login here, so that I just want to show you guys the login page and the registration page. So this is the login page where user can log in their account, while this is the sign up page where user can register for an account. So here user can register for an account and the account is going to be successfully created, and here they can sign into their accounts and then successfully sign into their accounts. So for user to do some activities on this e-commerce website, they need to be logged in. So it is only when they are logged in that is when they can have access to add to wish list or to be able to check out. So we can click on the wish list. You can see it directed us to login. So now we can also change the currency on our website. We can also add different currency. I will show you how to do that on the admin panel. So we can also click on the contacts so that we have a very beautiful contact section. Can you see that? A very beautiful contact section. So this contact section will also give your user the confidence to chat with you, talk with you, to purchase on your website. So these are the kind of websites customer loves to purchase on. They discover the UI is good, the design is good, everything looks perfect and clean, not blotchy, not slowy. They are going to purchase your products for sure, 100%. So we have created we make sure all the pages that we created on this e-commerce website was a high quality pages. So now let us go back to our own page that I was logged in. So here I can check my reviews. So this is on the user account. I can check my review, and it was approved by the admin. So I can check my addresses. So the user can check their addresses. So the user can check their profile, their wish list, their download, their orders. So user can track their orders. They can check their orders if they have placed any order. So now let us go. Okay, this is the dashboard of a user. So let us go to the admin dashboard. You can't wait to see the admin dashboard. A very beautiful admin dashboard. Let me show you the interface. Here you have 8 products, as you can see here. You have just one customer, as you can see here. This is a brand new e-commerce website. We also have all these available on the e-commerce website. Here is where you can create products, you can set your categories, your brand attributes, variation, and all those stuff. Here you can check your sales, you can check your orders and transactions. Here you can add flash sales. Here you can add coupons, and here you can create pages. Here you can add menu, blog. Here you can add pictures. This is where you can check your users and change the rules of your users. So localization is where you can change currency, translation of the website, and you can also implement taxes on all your purchases. So appearance is where you have the storefront and sliders, where you can edit how the website wants to look, how you want to present your website to your visitor. So this is the report section where you can get either a customer reports an order, or they report a particular product, so you can quickly work on it and make the customer happy by responding on time and telling them the reason why this happened and this happened. So the appearance, I've talked about that. The tools, we also have the tools in the sitemap, which will allow Google engine crawler to crawl on your website, so they can take all the keyword on your website and display it on Google. So if they search on Google and the search is related to your e-commerce website, your e-commerce website will be shown at the top of the Google search engine optimization. So that is very important for e-commerce website. So the settings here also, it's for the websites, graphics and logo and all those kind of information. So if you want your website anyhow you want it to be, either you want to change the name, the country, anything you want to change on it, it is editable. We make it very easy to edit your website. So that is why you need to give us big kudos on this particular e-commerce website. So we are not giving out for free. We are sorry about that. We are not giving this for free, but it is very cheap. You will be shocked on how much you are selling this beautiful quality e-commerce website. We found out the price on Gumroad, as we are going to drop the link on the description below. So just check the description section. You will find the link that you can use to get the source code of this beautiful e-commerce website. I would love you to test this out and share your opinion on the comment section, and let us see how it goes with you. So the billing details is very important. The billing details will be the address that you will deliver the e-commerce, the products to your customer. So I want to show you guys the payments method that we have on this website. So this is the, you may see that we implement a lot of payments method just for your own satisfaction. We have PayPal, Stripe, ATM, Razorpay, Instamojo, Paystack, even Flutterwave, PayPass. And we also have cash on delivery. You also have bank transfer, and we also have check. We also have check and money order. So all this will make your e-commerce journey very, very simple. If you want to sell overseas, you want to sell worldwide, you will need to use PayPal or Stripe. And you want to sell locally in Nigeria here, you will need to use Flutterwave or cash on delivery. So far it is within your state, you can deliver to them and they will pay you on delivery. So we have made everything very simple for you, just so that it will save you time and it will save you cost of how much you're going to build this kind of e-commerce, full stack e-commerce website. It's going to cost you a lot, but with Web Developer team, we are creating this e-commerce website just for you to start using it after you purchase it. Immediately after you purchase it, you can start using it. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. I would love you guys to give me a subscribe button if you love this e-commerce project. Thank you so much. As you can see, the live website is gobadio.co.uk. So you can go to the main website to explore the e-commerce website on your own and to check out if it's something you will like. And if it's something you love, you can come back to the YouTube channel to get the source code link on the description link below. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I want to shout out to all the people that have been purchasing our products. Really appreciate, and I pray everything will work fine for you and your way in life will turn out to good, and God will bless you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. This is Web Developer. One love, guys. Bye.